create straight lines in the Freeform gradient in Illustrator CC 2019. Now, the key thing here is the Shift key. That's the real key feature of the whole thing, so Shift key. Now, just got a design here, and it was just created using the Freeform gradient and basically holding the Shift key down. So I'm just going to remove that in a sec, but I'll quickly show you what's actually, there's the actual gradient, so you can just see it's a straight line. Basically a straight line, there's a little bit of curvature there. Just see I'm just going black, white, black, white, black, white, all the way down. And I'm just going to create a quick path. So I've got a path there. And once I've done that, just go over to the gradient tool and just go to Freeform gradient, and that's in the properties panel. So once you've got there, just quickly drag those out. You just want to drag those out. There's no clear feature, so just a quick way of just select and drag out. So I'm just going to remove all those. So I want to start with just one single point, which is obviously listed as a line there, you can see in the properties, but it could be, of course, it could be a point as well. So long as you change it to a line, that's the key thing. So it's a line, so you can then hold the Shift key down. Once you hold the Shift key down, you can then go up, down, across, etc., and just, I'm clicking there white, again, holding the Shift key down, again, turn it black, often Shift key still down, click white, and all the way up. I'm going to go up. There's a slight little bit of curvature when you go to the top. You can see there's a slight bend there. I would say it's pretty slight, but not much. And you can turn that into white again, and then go down. So you create a sort of checkerboard design very quickly and easily using that. So I'm just going to continue on for that few seconds. Just go through them all. Not all of them, not going to go all the way over the whole thing, but you can see the general gist of the design. And of course, you don't have to apply it to a rectangle. You could apply it to any other shape as well. Apply it to a whole load of different designs, and you can just keep adding those free. It's a great feature, this Freeform feature. I keep discovering more and more things about it, so it's a really useful little tool. And you can use it for obviously a range of different things, lovely, beautiful illustrations, and much, much more. So, and painted effects. And right, just going to there. And you can see again, just key thing, hold the Shift key down, and you can see it bends a bit, so you can see a bend there, it really bends down, but as soon as you go and go down, it will correct itself. Suddenly it goes a fairly straight line, and then continue on there. Again, this is the thing, you can see that's right, so I'm just going to remove that now. So I'm just going to drag that, and then create another one. Now again, go back down to the gradient tool, that's the key thing, gradient tool and Freeform, like I say, remove those again, just remove those. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to have one, well I'm going to have 2 points, I've got 2 points, one of the points is the colour for the whole thing, and I don't want that straight line, so basically what you want to use is points there. Initially you want points, you want that as a point, and the key thing here, once you've got it as a point, then you go to that as a line, so it doesn't join to the other one, you don't want it to join to the other one. You want 1 point and then go across, turn it into a line, and so on and so on. And just set the colour there to, say, orange. And you can just go across, hold Shift key again down, and it will draw a straight line crossways. So you can create a nice sort of colourful line very quickly. Now, it will occasionally decide to not be, but you can always just correct it. If suddenly you do the wrong colour or something, or it goes back on itself, you can always quickly correct that. You can always delete the line if it's just not right. But that's the key approach. Go to a point again, make it as a point, and then convert it. It's a point. Now, if you make a mistake, like I often do, leave it at a point or something, doesn't matter. You can always go back and convert it to a line, so you can see what you go back the other way. Don't want that. I'm just going to go back to that initial point. Want to convert that? That's a line. Makes it as a line. Hold Shift key down, and then click across, and you can see you just click across, and it's all. You can keep obviously the same colour. It's going to be blue, 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 blue all the way across. Now, want to go for another one? Instead of going back and doing anything else, you can go to your gradient tool, click points, make sense point, that initial point, so you don't get a line suddenly appearing again there, and set it to red. And if you forget line, now what happens is sometimes is that that initial point isn't set, so you have to make certain that's a line and go across again, and then click all the way across there. All right. Hope you found this of interest.